In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a guest from a Google Calendar event. Maybe you added the wrong person to a meeting, someone no longer needs to attend, or you just want to clean up your guest list. Whatever the reason, removing a guest from a Google Calendar event is simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. Once Calendar loads, you'll see your schedule laid out by day, week, or month, depending on your view. Any event that has guests will typically show an icon or just look like a standard event on your calendar. Next, find the event that you want to edit. This is the event where you want to remove a guest. Click on that event once. A small pop-up window will appear, showing the event's details like the title, date, time, and some basic information. You might also see the list of guests right there, but to make changes, you need to go into the full editing screen. To do that, look for the little pen or pencil icon in the pop-up. This icon means Edit Event. Click on the pen icon and you'll be taken to the full event editing page. Here, you'll see all the details: the event name, date, time, location, description, and importantly, the guest list on the right-hand side of the screen. In the guest list, move your mouse over the name or email of the guest you want to remove. When you hover over that specific guest, a small X icon will appear next to their name. That X is the remove button. Click on the X and that guest will be removed from the list. If this is a recurring event, Google may ask whether you want to remove the guest from just this one event or from the entire series. Choose the option that matches what you want. Once you've removed the guest, you're not done yet. Scroll to the top or bottom of the page and click on Save. After you click Save, Google Calendar may ask if you want to send an updated invitation to the remaining guests. You can choose to notify them or skip notifications, depending on the situation. And that's it. You've successfully removed a guest from your Google Calendar event.